Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and in this video I'm going to discuss a challenging problem that involves geometric sequence. So if you are a teacher, you can use this problem and give it to your talented students, while if you're a student or a math enthusiast, you can use this as a training material in preparation for math competitions. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new one. So if you're ready, let's go! Okay, here's the problem. The numbers A, B, C, in that order, form a three-term arithmetic sequence, and A plus B plus C equals 60. The numbers A minus 2, B, C plus 3, in that order, form a three-term geometric sequence. The question is, determine all possible values of A, B, and C. Okay? So, it says in the problem that the numbers A, B, C form an arithmetic sequence. So, since it's we have an odd number of elements or odd number of terms, so I'm going to let A, okay? So, I'm going to let A equals B minus the common difference. Okay? Then, I'm going to retain B as is, while my C, okay, I'm going to let it as B plus the common difference. So that, instead of having A, B, and C, okay, instead of having A, B, and C, I'm going to have B minus B, B, and B plus D. See that? Okay, now it says here the sum of A, B, and C is 60. So meaning to say, if I'm going to add this one, okay, so if I'm going to add them, so B minus B plus B plus B plus D, okay, equate it to 60. So clearly, maka-cancel ang D, right? Maka-cancel ang D. Okay, so that will give me 3B equals 60 or B equals 20. See that? Okay, now, meaning to say, so, yung A natin, okay, this A here, now, will become 20 minus B, right? 20 minus B, while this one will become 20 plus D. Now, what's next? Okay, it says here yung A minus 2, B, and C plus 3 form a geometric sequence in that order. So, meaning to say, instead of writing A minus 2, I'm going to have 20 minus B minus 2. See that? Or, that will become, okay, that will become 18 minus D. See that? Similarly, yung 20 plus D, similarly, yung C plus 3 ko, which is 20 plus D, okay, I have to add 3 there, so that will become 23 plus D. There you go. Now, so since yung sequence na 18 minus D, alright, not yung 20, which is my B, okay, see that? And then yung 23 plus D form a geometric sequence. Now, kung geometric sequence yan, we know that B squared or 20 squared is equal to the product of this first and third term. See that? Again, yung A1, A2, A3. Take note kung geometric sequence, that's A squared, so A sub 2 squared is equal to the product of A1, A3. See that? Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. Alright. Okay, let me erase it. Okay, so that is 18 minus D times 23 plus D. There you go. And we know 20 squared, that's 400. Alright. Then I'm going to use Paul method. 18 times 23, that is 414. Okay, you can double check na lang. Okay. Then, this is negative 23D, while this one is 18D. That will give me negative 5D. And lastly, this one will become negative D squared. Alright, so equate ko yan sa 0, but I want my D squared, my quadratic term, become positive. So this one will become D squared. alright, plus 5D. Okay, 400 minus 414, that's negative 14, equals 0. And obviously, so factorable yan, madali naman makita. So that is D plus 7, alright, and D minus 2 equals 0. So this will give me two common difference, negative 7 and 2. See that? Okay, so let's check that. Okay, so meaning to say, yung B ko is 20. Take note, B is 20. If my common difference is negative 7, okay, so this is negative 7 here, so that will be 20 minus negative 7. So therefore, this one will become 27. See that? My A is 27. Now, how about C? So, 20 plus negative 7, so that will be 20 minus 7 or 13. So this will be the value of A, B, and C. But take note, there are two common difference here, so therefore, may isa pang sequence. Okay. So, if D is 2, okay, so that will be 20 minus 2, so that will become 18. Okay. Then, 20 plus 2, that will be 22. There you go. So these are the possible values of A, B, and C. Okay. So you can verify that. So the sum of 18, 20, and 22, that's 60. 27, 20, and 13, still the sum is 60. Okay. So now, common difference. Obvious na yun. So na-check na natin. Now, last thing that we're going to do here is check natin kung geometric sequence ba talaga yan. Alright. Let's verify that so that ma-check natin. Okay, so if I'm going to subtract 2 from 27, okay, check natin. Okay, so subtract 2, that will become 25, alright, still 20, then add 3 to 13, that will become 16. Okay, so, syempre, 20 over 25, that is 4/5. 16 over 20 is 4/5. So, therefore, they have the common ratio, therefore, geometric sequence. Now, last, check natin if 18, 20, 22 will satisfy this. Okay, so 18 minus 2, that will become 16. Still 20 yan. And then, 22 plus 3, that's 25. Of course, kung kanina 4/5 ang common ratio, this time 5/4. So still, they satisfy the condition that they are in geometric sequence. See that? Again, so that the values of A, B, and C are this. Okay, A, B, and C respectively. There you go. I hope you learned something on this very short video. So short but informative. So feel free to share. Okay, and don't forget to share, to subscribe on my channel, Learn Math with Sir Mar. Keep safe, everyone.